When it comes to ice fishing rods, there's a ton to choose from. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 4 that I've found to be the best for targeting walleye. As always, I'll have everything linked down below in case you wanna pick it up. Let's jump in. First is the Power Precision from Tuned Up Custom Rods. This is my go-to #1 favorite walleye rod. It's got a solid matte black carbon fiber blank all the way through. It's got gold recoil guides, which are absolutely phenomenal for flicking that ice off if you're outside in that sub-zero temp. It's got the fast medium tip on it, which is great for getting into the bigger fish. This is the split grip version that I like, so that way I can put my hand on it and I can feel all of those really finicky bites, but then it has that smooth transition into a really solid backbone to get those big walleye. I caught a 29-inch walleye on this rod, a few 28s. It's absolutely phenomenal. I really like this rod. I've got a few of them. The Power Precision from Tuned Up Custom Rods. This is the 34. As you can see, I've got a spoon on here right now. It's great for jigging spoons. It's also great for rip and wraps, hyper rips. You can get up to a size 5 is what I would probably recommend with this guy. It's an absolute all-around beast for walleye. One other thing that you're gonna notice in this video is that all of my jigging rods, I use the QZ750 reel. This is my go-to spinning reel for ice fishing unless I have a dead stick. Then for the dead sticks, what I use is the Okuma, the bait feeder. This is the CBF 500 series. That way you've got the bait feeder on the back with its own drag setting and then your normal drag setting on the spinning reel. Those are the 2 reels that I'll have in this video. Bang is a partner of the channel. Whether I'm out on the ice or I'm in my gear garage or in my studio space filming, I absolutely appreciate all the different flavors that they have. This is the Purple Guava Pear. Check it out. If you like energy drinks, I think you're gonna like these. Let's get back to the rods. Next up is a medium light custom rod from Ace Custom Rods that you can see down there on the end, their logo. This is a glow in the dark medium light rod. It's all fiberglass. It glows bright green. It's the best glowing rod that I have. I'm gonna show you another one that glows here in a little bit. But this has got a really nice backbone to it, and it's got a little bit of a softer tip to it. So you can see more of that bite action, but then smoothly transition to that broader back bite. It is a softer rod, so you're gonna get a lot of that natural action of your jig when using this rod that I found, which I really like. This one has the Green Hornet split grip handle on it. Again, I really like the split grip to be able to hang on to it and feel those finicky bites. Sometimes when you can't even see them on the rod. Next up, changing up just a little bit, is a dead stick. So this is the Tuned Up Custom Rods dead stick. You can see here we've got the high vis tip on the front of it. It's that orange high vis tip, and then it goes into the solid matte black fiberglass blank on the back of it. This is perfect for live bait. So no more bobbers needed. Throw this in your rod holder next to you. Use your jigging rod out of your other hole. This is awesome. I've caught so many fish on it. I actually have 3 of these just so that I can have different setups ready to go with different spoons on them for dead sticking, different treble hooks, just plain hooks with a split shot on it. I really, really love this. These are also great for tip downs or iFish Pros or anything else that you're gonna wanna do where you're setting a line and you don't wanna be jigging it. This is a great rod for that. So with this high vis tip, what's great about it is you're gonna see even some of the lightest bites with this and the fish isn't gonna feel it. I do have it paired up with that reel I was showing you. This is the Okuma bait feeder. This is the CBF 500 where you've got your drag setting on the back. You can flip the bait feeder open and then you can flip it closed. And then you've got your normal spinning reel and drag system on the front here. So that way the line almost free spools out of it, but you're gonna be able to see those bites with the tip, and then it has a very smooth transition in the backbone, which is gonna allow you to get those really good hook sets and then fight the fish with some good power all the way up through the hole. So this is a definite go-to rod if you're looking to have a dead stick instead of a bobber setup. So this one is from Paalio Custom Rods. You can kind of see right there where they've got it imprinted on the rod itself. And this is their Wonderbread rod. So this is a custom ABS 3D printed handle that glows in the dark. You can see the Wonderbread logo on the bottom of the rod. That is really cool. You've got the cork handle down here, and then this all the way up is a glow-in-the-dark medium fast action rod. It has that little bit lighter tip on it so you can see some of the finicky bites, and then it goes into the backbone really strong. This is a great rod. It's really fun to use. You get a lot of attention with this thing. It looks absolutely awesome. I'll link all of these down below. I have a feeling this is gonna be a hit with a lot of people. Really good rod, and I've got it paired up with that QZ750 on it. Let me know down in the comments, have you tried any of these rods out? Is there maybe a different rod that you'd recommend that maybe I should check out? Let me know down below. And if you're interested in seeing what my favorite ice fishing walleye lures are, check out this video on the screen. And until next time, take it easy.